Glenammer Engineering are laboratory test sieve manufacturers. We're dedicated to making the best quality product we can, and we've been manufacturing for over 20 years. As a Scottish leading test sieve manufacturers, our brand is recognised worldwide. We have established distribution channels in 87 different countries. Glenammer are always striving to use innovative methods, advanced technology to improve our products. Since 2017, we have been working towards a new production line. We have invested in some large piece of automatic machinery. This production line gives us 100% full control of our quality consistency. The automatic machinery speeds up production, and it also benefits the customer with our fast deliveries. We are now fully self-sufficient. This machinery enables us to be flexible. We can make bespoke goods upon request. Our automatic polishing machines provide us with a highly polished mirror finished product. We like to contribute to our local economy by increasing international trade and creating employment. Our new production line gives us a solid foundation to grow from strength to strength.